Hi, it's Karen with RT Systems. Today we're going to talk about the Icom IC-9700. And you may think the 9700, it's been around for a long time. What could I have new to talk about with this radio? Well, just this week, we discovered a real gotcha that a customer was suffering with. And I thought I'd share that information with you so you can enjoy your radio better. Use this option to your best advantage, but not be caught by this behavior. Let's get started. The IC-9700 radio has 2 meters, it has 440, it has 1.2 gig. They are entered separately in that radio. What the customer reported was that he had lost all 440 transmissions. We had him do a get data from the radio in its current state, save that file, and send it to us. That was the best way for us to look at everything, because what we found could have been changed on the face of the radio. You always have that option to make changes from the face of the radio. This way we could look at everything that was going on with the radio at this moment. When we received the file, we could see that 2 meters and 440 were both programmed into the radio, but transmission was lost on 440. So we started investigating settings. Radio menu settings. Looking at the options we have here, we found band settings. And notice right down here, user band edge. Band edge beep on. That's fine. It'll let you know when you go in and out of the band when you're tuning. And TX limit. Kind of suspicious. Especially since 440 is missing from down here. In a default file, there would be the 440 band and there would be the 1.2 gig band. We did not investigate how this got changed. Like I said, it can be done from the face of the radio. It can be done in the program, but the easiest way to fix this was to move away from the TX inhibit option. We chose to set the band edge beep off. Close, apply changes and close, send the file to the radio, and the 440 transmission was back. A little more information on other features of the radio. Let's go to Help and Memory Channels. And this was Radio Menu Settings. This was on the Band Settings page. Scroll down through all the options on that page. This was User Band Edge Beep, Off, On User, and On User, and TX Limit. It tells you right here that transmission is inhibited outside the programmed range. Now, if you want to use this option to limit transmissions, there's some suggestions here. Be careful when you're entering the frequency ranges. They cannot overlap and they must be in order. So you have a good description of it right here. Just some details about that radio for you to get the best use out of it. We hope it helps. This is Karen, and remember, if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. 73s.